Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching this week's video where I'll be sharing some of my secrets and my little tips on how to maintain your hair and keep it healthy. So for my first secret, this is some of the ingredients you're gonna need. 1 egg, and this is to moisturize your hair while promoting growth. Castor oil, which helps hair follicles by making them healthy and prevents hair loss. Avocado oil prevents breakage and unclogs hair follicles. And the last ingredient, coconut oil, which adds shine and softness while also helping your hair growth. FYI, my hair has never been dyed. It is between fine to thick hair and it frizzes a little bit. My hair is sometimes a little wavy, but mostly straight. So what I'm holding here is all the ingredients from before mixed into one little bowl. It doesn't look cute and it kind of smells a little weird. The consistency also is weird. Here I'm just like figuring out how I'm going to apply this neatly. So I would advise to wear an old t-shirt because it will get messy. Here I'm just applying the mixture into my hair just with my fingers, but if you have one of those hair brushes to dye your hair, that would also help and work well. What I'm doing here is making sure that the mixture is being seeped into my scalp to get all that good stuff. Then I'm using the rest of the mixture and putting it into the rest of my hair. Okay, so brushing after applying the mixture is definitely a key part because you want that blood flowing in your scalp so that all the nutrients are being absorbed into it and doing its proper job. But keep in mind, since you're using castor oil and an egg yolk, if you decide to use it, the mixture will get a little hard in your hair, so be careful while you're brushing, be gentle. So after brushing and really getting that blood flow in your scalp, I'm going to wait about 1 hour until I wash my hair, and during that 1 hour I'm just going to put my hair up in a bun so that none of the mixture gets on anything else. So after leaving the mixture in my hair for an hour, I'm going to come back, dry my hair a little bit, and show you the results. So I just finished getting ready. All that's left to do is my hair. But before I get into my last tip for this tutorial, I'd like to share that the types of shampoo and conditioners I like to use are typically paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, and mostly vegan because I feel that the more natural they are, the better it is for your hair. A lot of these shampoos and conditioners, you really have to look at the ingredients and find out what kind of ingredients are in this product because it's good to know what's being put into your shampoo and if that ingredient does more bad than good to your hair. And of course, I'll be adding and linking all the products and ingredients that I've been mentioning in this video for you so you can check it out. Also, I'd like to add in that the products and the ingredients, even the hair mask, fits all hair types, so you don't need to worry about if you have curly hair, wavy hair. All these products suits every hair type. So here I'm using Olaplex number 6 and Olaplex number 7. Like I mentioned, these products are perfect for all hair types and textures. The Olaplex number 6, which is the cream, it helps dryness, frizz, and if you have colored hair, it keeps the colored hair intact. Also, the oil number 7, it has essential oils such as vitamin D, C, and E, which protects and nourishes your hair. I got this from Sephora because I wanted to know more. It has fermented green tea oil, which is nutrition for hair, and Korean skincare uses fermented oils due to their superior absorption and performance benefits. This improves feel, absorption, and compatibility. So that's what I got from the Sephora, and I absolutely love it. I've been using this for about a week, like almost every time I have been washing my hair, and I absolutely love how it comes out every time. So this is my hair after using a little bit of a blow dryer and straightening it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love how it feels. It's smooth and it's silky. So I'm not sure if this thing has a name for it, but I'm gonna call it spider legs because it reminds me of a spider leg, you know, like the daddy long legs. But anyways, I use this little device in the mornings and at night, so my blood flow in my scalp increases. And like I mentioned before, when your blood is flowing through your scalp, it promotes hair growth and it just feels amazing. And that is it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video and want to see more. See you in the next one. Bye.